Alright, so on 10, okay, it's all going to be the same. Everything that you do, whether it's 10, 11, or 12, you're still going to do the same thing as far as get everything to match and have a fraction or a rational over a rational or a fraction over a fraction, whatever you want to call it. What do I need to do to get the denominators the same here? Do I need to multiply one or both of them or none of them? Just one of them, right? I just need to multiply this by 2 and that by 2. So again, I'm going to have one big fraction. So I'm going to have x minus 2x. So what is x minus 2x? Okay, well, we'll come back to that. We'll do that in a second. So I have x minus 2x, all of it over 6. What about the bottom side down here? 2 again, right? So then I have 2x minus 7 over 10. Now, before I do anything, I want to simplify here. So I'm going to give myself a little bit of room down here. I'm going to have negative 1x over 6 and 2x minus 7 all over 10. First thing I want to do before I do anything is my restrictions. What can x not be? It can be everything, right? Okay, so there's nothing there. So instead of keeping everything stacked, all this really is a division problem. So since it's really just a division problem, I'm going to keep. So I'm going to have negative 1x over 6. I'm going to change to multiplication, and then I'm going to flip what is in that bottom side. So whenever I flip, I'll have 10 over 2x minus 7. Yes?
Why are we doing this as opposed to...
Some students struggle really with like keeping everything stacked and knowing the right order. Okay? Some would rather just do keep, change, flip, and so it's really just another option. Okay? So if I just multiply straight across, then I'm going to have negative 10x over multiply here, and then now what I should have done, actually I'm going to do that. What I should have done was I would have changed that to a 5 and this to a 3. Just going to make it easier on me. So then I have negative 5x over multiply here 6x minus 21. Now, I still have to add a restriction because I have an x value down here. So then x cannot be equal to 7 over 2. If I would set that equal to 0. Negative 20 or 21, change that, divide it by 6, and I would get 7 over 2. Okay. It's really up to you. I'll have some students, they don't want to do keep, change, flip because they don't want to write an extra step. Okay, I'll have some students that they just don't like it stacked because they can't remember the order in which they're supposed to do everything, so that's what they go with. It's completely up to you as far as how you do it. If you want to take it from being stacked on top of each other and go keep, change, flip, keep the top, change to a multiplication, and flip that bottom fraction, do that. Okay, it's completely up to you. I'm just giving you a second option, basically. Okay.